If you want to add or change keyboard language on a Nothing phone for A or for A Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings we should be able to scroll down, and then you want to go to the System. In System Settings, open Keyboard, just tap on Keyboard over here, then we're gonna go to On-Screen Keyboard, and then tap on the Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. We're gonna go to Languages, and now in order to add a new language we can press Add Keyboard. Now from this list we can choose the language that we wish to add. So let's say I'm just gonna choose an example language like this one over here, and then we can tap on Done in the bottom right corner. You can of course keep adding more and more languages. You can have multiple languages available on your keyboard. You can also tap on this pen in the upper right corner, and you can change the order by grabbing by these lines that we have on the right side, and you can just drag up and down. Besides that, you can also select the old language that you, for example, no longer need, and after selecting that language or languages, of course, then you can tap on this this trash in the upper right corner to remove the language. If you decide to use more than one language, once you open your keyboard, you should be able to find this globe icon. It is even highlighted, so you can tap on it in order to switch to a different language. On the spacebar, you can see which language is currently selected. You can also press and hold your finger on that spacebar in order to change the language. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.